current affairs from December month of 2020. First category is awards. Ranjit Singh Disale, a government teacher in Pritewadi village of Solapur district, Maharashtra, won the 2020 Global Teacher Prize. The prize money is $1 billion, and which is equivalent to 7.4 crore rupees. Okay. For his contribution, QR coded quick response coded textbooks. Okay. Then second is Gitanjali Rao becomes first ever Times Kid of the Year. Okay. ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, won 2020 International King Bhumi Bowl World Soil Day Award on 5th December. 5th December is known as Soil Day. Okay. Journalist author Raj Kamal Jha has won the 3rd Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize for his novel The City and the Sea. The prize money for this award is $5,000. Okay. Next is Carolina Arosa awarded 2020 Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematicians from Brazil. Okay. Ashraf Patel, the founder member of Pravah and Com Mutiny, the Youth Collective, won Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award India 2020. Myanmar's Paul Saint Awa won Goldman Environmental Prize 2020 by IUCN. Okay. Paul, co-founder of Kesan. Okay. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, won Golden. This is Golden. Okay. Peacock Environmental Management Award. Reliance Industry topped the 2020 Fortune 500 list of Indian companies, second position backed by Indian Oil. Ratan Tata to be honored with Global Visionary of Sustainable Business and Peace by Indo-Israel Chamber of Commerce. Okay. Srinivas Karnam, Bengaluru, got first prize in Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Telecom Skill Excellence Award by Ravi Shankar Prasad for Sea Mobile Deep Sea Communication for Fishermen. Ratan Tata again honored with SOCHM Enterprise of the Century Award by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, won the Excellence in CII ITC Sustainability Award 2020 in Corporate Social Responsibility domain. Dravid Kadgam President K. Viramani conferred with Dr. Narendra Dabholkar Memorial Award. Scientist Hemant Kumar Pandey, he is the senior scientist, and it is an important question. Senior scientist Hemant Kumar Pandey got DRDO's Scientist of the Year Award for herbal medicines. Okay. Because he developed Leukoderma medicine to remove the vitiligo disease. Okay. Vitiligo is a kind of disease, skin disease, in which white patches can be created on white patches are occurred on the skins. Okay. Chairman and CEO of Railway Board Vinod Kumar Yadav conferred with Eminent Engineers for the Year 2020 by IET. Santoor player Pandit Satish Vyas conferred with Tansen Samman and 96th Music Festival held in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Kerala's Arya Rajendran, 21-year-old girl, becomes India's youngest mayor of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Sonu Sood, actor Sonu Sood topped the 50 Asian celebrities in the world 2020 list published by United Kingdom's Eastern Eye newspaper. Joe Biden, 46th President of USA, Joe Biden, and her compatriot Kamala Harris, Vice President, jointly named Times Person of the Year 2020. American TV star Kylie Jenner has been crowned highest paid celebrity of 2020 by Forbes. Okay, she accrued $6.1 billion. Okay, in 2019, yes, Kylie Jenner also topped in 2019 highest paid celebrity. Okay, India's Vidyut Mohan named among Young Champions of the Earth 2020 prize by UNEP. Donald Trump has honored PM Narendra Modi with top US honor, highest military decoration, the Legion of Merit, to Taranjit Singh Sandhu. Okay, the award is received by Taranjit Singh Sandhu. Okay, Taranjit Singh Sandhu is the Indian ambassador to USA. Now appointments. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, reappoints Uday Kotak as MD of Kotak Mahindra Bank, headquarters is in Mumbai. The tagline of Mahindra Bank is Kotak Mahindra is "Let's make money simple." Kotak Mahindra AZ Management has launched Kotak International REIT funds for real estate investment trust. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman stands at 41st position on Forbes 2020 list of most powerful women. Okay, most powerful women, and this Forbes list is topped by Angela Merkel, the Chancellor of Germany. Okay, uh, Angela Merkel has retained her position for years. Okay. IPS Satyendra Garg assumed Andaman and Nicobar DGP charge. Lieutenant Governor of Andaman Nicobar is DK Joshi, and capital of Andaman Nicobar is Port Blair. Vineet Agarwal became the new SOCHM president. SOCHM stands for Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. HDFC Bank top ranked among 100 banking, financial services and insurance firms in India. Headquarter of HDFC Bank in Mumbai. MD and CEO of HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri. Earlier, the MD and CEO is Shashidhar Jagdishan. Okay. Tagline is of HDFC Bank is We Understand Your World. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay NIF Book Prize 2020 given to two authors Amit Ahuja and Jairam Ramesh. Amit Ahuja for his book Mobilizing the Marginalized Ethnic Parties Without Ethnic Movements. Jairam Ramesh for his book Checkered Brilliance, The Many Lives of V.K. Krishna Menon. Anil Soni appointed first CEO of WHO Foundation, World Health Organization, whose headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. The head of WHO is Tedros Adhanom. Gwalior and Orchha, two cities of Madhya Pradesh, added in the UNESCO World Heritage Cities list. Actor Sonu Sood and actress Shraddha Kapoor, okay, named as PETA India's hottest vegetarian 2020. Nongpok Sikmai police station in Thobal district of Manipur topped the list of best police stations in India. Kuwait Emir reappoints Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah as Prime Minister of Kuwait. The capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City, and the currency of Kuwait is dinar. All India Gem and Jewellery Domestic Council GJC elect Ashish Pethe as new chairman. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has been nominated to the board of Gavi, Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization. Harshvardhan has launched India's first indigenous pneumonia vaccine, Pneumocil, which was manufactured by Pune Serum Institute. Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, England, will be the chief guest at Republic Day 26 January 2021 in India. Sports news. Okay, sports affairs. FICCI, India. The full form of FICCI is Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FICCI India Sports Award 2020. The Sportsperson of the Year 2020 for male category goes to Bajrang Punia. He is a freestyle wrestler. And for female category, Ella Vinil Varalavin, she is a shooter. And for state, Madhya Pradesh. And for best private company, Anil Kamble. 2020 World Athletics of the Year 2020 in male category goes to Mondo Duplantis. He is a Swedish pole vaulter. And in female category, Yulimar Raujas, Venezuelan triple jumper. International Olympic Committee IOC gave Olympic status to breakdancing as breaking, headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland. Okay, the head of IOC is Thomas Bach. Max Verstappen, Red Bull from Netherlands, won the season-ending Abu Dhabi Grand Prix 2020 held in UAE, United Arab Emirates. Capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi. Okay. Indian tennis player Ankita Raina clinched ITF doubles title in Mumbai with her Georgian partner Ekaterina Godze. Pakistani pacer Mohammad Amir retired from international cricket. Indian boxer bagged 9 medals including 3 gold at Calgary Boxing World Cup, and India finished at second position, and first position is bagged by Germany. Okay. 3 gold medalists from Indian side is Amit Manghal. He is the most famous Indian boxer, and second is Manisha Mon, and then Simranjit Kaur. Okay. Dav Watmore. Okay, Dav Watmore is selected as the Nepal cricket team's head coach. Lewis Hamilton. Okay, most famous name in this year in Formula 1 category race. Okay, Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes from Great Britain, has won BBC Sports Personality of the Year 2020. Okay, this is his second time, and in 2014 he also got the same prize. Okay, Sports Ministry permitted 4 indigenous sports in Khelo India Youth Games 2021, which is going to be held in Panchkula of Haryana, and these four sports are Kalaripayattu from Kerala. Kalaripayattu originated in Kerala, Gatka from Punjab, and Malkham MP and Maharashtra. Thangta from Manipur. It is Thangta is Manipur's martial art. Okay, martial art. MS Dhoni bagged the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award of the Decade. Okay, actually, they consider the movement of MS Dhoni and Ian Bell. Okay, movement in 2011, the test match between India and England. Okay, MS Dhoni named captain of ICC Men's ODI and T20 International Team of the Decade. Mount Everest declared 86 centimeter taller by Nepal and China, and the current height of Mount Everest is 8,848.86 meter. Okay, and in Nepal, Mount Everest is known as Sagarmatha name, and in and Mount Komolangma is known in Tibet. Okay, Indian Coast Guard's offshore patrol vessel Sujit commissioned in Goa, and Indian Coast Guard's Saksham is also commissioned in Goa. Sujit and Saksham in Goa. Skyroot Aerospace successfully test-fired a solid-fueled rocket engine whose name is Kalam 5. Okay. India's first Tihan launched in IIT Hyderabad by Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay, Myanmar Navy formally commissioned in Sindhuvir submarine. Okay, DarkPay is a new digital payment launched by India Post Payments Bank. RBL Bank, ICICI Prudential join hands for bank assurance partnership. Government of India notifies new electricity rights of consumer rules 2020. Sorry, it is 2020. Okay, and RK Singh is the Ministry of States for Power and Renewable Energy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Sehat Health Insurance Scheme for Jammu and Kashmir people who are not covered under Ayushman Bharat. Okay, the prize money insurance coverage of rupees 5 lakh is given to all eligible persons who are got covered under Ayushman Bharat scheme. Okay, Srinagar's Amar Singh College recognized with UNESCO Asia Pacific Award. Niti Aayog has launched cloud storage service DigiBox. Okay, the features of DigiBox is any person can store 20 GB cloud storage data, and it can be extendable with rupees 30 per month and extendable up to 100 GB. Okay. Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri launched eSampada web portal for easy accommodations. Ministry of Earth Sciences, Science and Technology Harsh Vardhan launched InCoist Digital Ocean App. India's first pollinator park opens in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. India's first hot air balloon wildlife safari launched in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, next is states category. Uttar Pradesh launched Kisan Kalyan Mission. Okay, Kisan Kalyan Mission by Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh also launched Virasat. Virasat means natural succession campaign to end land dispute issues. Mega Leather Park in Ramaipur, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Mega Leather Park is going to set up in Ramaipur, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and Kanpur is known as City of Leathers. Okay, Punjab launched PR Inside web portal for various services of state government. Himachal Pradesh CM Jairam Thakur unveiled an 18 feet tall statue of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. India's first lithium refinery to be set up in Gujarat. Odisha launched Parishram portal, helpful in ease of doing business. Nehru Zoological Park in Hyderabad has acquired ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management Standard certification. Karnataka unveiled fruits portal for farmers. Okay, fruits Karnataka. Lakshadweep become India's first UT to be declared 100% organic, and the first organic state is Sikkim. Okay, and the first UT becomes Lakshadweep. EDB approved 2100 crore rupees loan to Tripura for various developmental activities. Government of India and World Bank signed $500 million project to build green national highways in Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are all about the current affairs from the month of December of 2020. Okay, thank you.